Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick way to make the new thing, a smash cake or a piñata cake. It's a heart-shaped mold and it's hollow, and you can put anything you want inside and you break it with the cutest little mallet. Now these cakes usually, or smash cakes, usually run at about $60 each, maybe 40, but you can make it at a fraction of a cost, and it's so easy to make, so you don't have to pay, and you can get super creative with it. Today is my first time making it, and I hope you guys enjoy this, because if I can make it, you guys can too. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and as always, if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. I'm going to start off with a bag of white chocolate baking chips, and I'm going to start off with 12 ounces. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt the chocolate in intervals of 30 seconds until you get the consistency you want, and you want it to be super smooth. If it's not super smooth, go ahead and add in some coconut oil to make it super smooth. Alright, now here we have our mold, and what we're going to do is we're going to run a little bit of vodka on it. And the reason we're running the vodka is so that it can give it a shine. Now once you have your chocolate nice and melted, you're gonna give it a quick stir. Make sure everything's evenly heated. Now we're going to dump our chocolate into our mold. Make sure you're using a towel, because sometimes the plate can get hot from the microwave. And we're just gonna spoon it in. And you wanna make sure to spread it all the way through. You can use the spoon as well. Alrighty, I just pulled out my cake out of the fridge. It's been about 10 minutes and I just melted some more chocolate. I'm going to add the rest of the chocolate in here to give a second layer. So once you've covered all the edges of your mold, you're gonna put it in the fridge for 10 minutes, and we're gonna put it on a plate just so it can hold it. The mold tends to be a little flimsy, so it's best if you put it in a flat surface. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes that my mold has been in the fridge. Now what you're going to do is just gently tug on the sides throughout the mold. I got this mold on Amazon. Of course, you can get everything on Amazon. Just be careful that you don't break the mold. Then once you've got all the sides out of the way, I'm gonna flip it over. And just roll it back gently. Make sure not to touch the top of the mold. Just keep on rolling. And I'll link the mold that I bought. Here's a beautiful, oh, I almost dropped it. Here's a beautiful smash cake. Now the fun part begins. Now we get to decorate it. For the sake of this video, I want to do simple. I have two colors of dust. I have gold and silver. I opted for gold. I'm making this for a friend's housewarming party. So we're going to mix this dust with a little bit of vodka to give it some liquid texture, and then we're just gonna splash it on. I took some of my gold dust and I put it in this little bowl. Now we're gonna put a splash of vodka just to liquefy it. With any brush that you have, you're just gonna mix it up. Oh my gosh, the color is beautiful. It's a beautiful gold color. It looks super bougie and lavish. That's my friend. My friend is a bougie guy. So this is gonna go perfect with his diva attitude. And now what we're going to do is we're gonna splash it on. Now you can splash it on, you can rub it on, whatever design you want. We're just gonna splash it on. We're gonna bust a Picasso. Alrighty guys, so I bought these boxes on Amazon as well as the mallets. And I stuck on the mallet with double-sided tape as well as a cute little bow. The mallet is going to be used to break open the cake. And since my friends are new homeowners, I put in a Home Depot card on parchment paper. Now I'm going to take my mold, gently lay it right on top. A little bit more gently than I just did. Make sure you cover up the card. Now, ideally what you'd want is some twine. I mean, not twine, I'm sorry, just the confetti paper. I ordered it, but it did not come on time. I'm seeing my friends tomorrow. So this is the finished product. They get to break it open and find their cute little gift card inside. So now, we're gonna close this up. We're gonna use twine to hold it closed. So I'm probably gonna start down up here, cross it over, and bring it out to the sides. Okay, we all mess up. Let's try this again. Maybe I've had a little too much wine. Okay, so cross the top, around the bottom, you know, sometimes we just can't get it right. I should edit this part out, tell you what. So once you have the twine how you want it, I'm just gonna make a cute little bow on top. And here we go. It's our smash cake. Like I said, this is my first time making this. I saved myself $60 and I have more than enough product to make quite a few more. I can make at least 6 more of these smash cakes. Now with time, you do get better at it, but this is how simple it was. And guess what? The finished product is still just as beautiful. In my next few videos, I'll be making something a little more detailed as I play a little more with this mold and with the chocolate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.